Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm happy we all came safe from our tours. I must say, in my group, we were having so much fun that we doubted that we really wanted to come back, but we did, so we were very brave. I want to start by thanking our hosts here in Berchtesgaden land. And I do ask you to give them a big round of applause for what they've offered us these days. We all take back very nice gastronomic memories. As someone said today at lunchtime, some extra kilograms as well. Also want to thank the Bavarian state government, who has very kindly supported this event and made possible for us to be here. The Federal Ministry of Economic Affairs and Energy of Germany. A very special thank you to Jens, who has taken us through this 2 days very slowly and very softly. Thank you so much. I know it's a hard job, and you made it very, very easy to follow. Thank you so much. I also want, obviously, to thank all the speakers that came from the different parts of the world. Had Slovenia, Kyrgyzstan, Korea, a wide range of speakers, government, private sector. So thank you so much for that. I want to thank all of you, but I also want to thank the translators who did a great job in making us follow the discussions. I must say I was following one of the panels in German, and I didn't even notice I was wearing translation because it was really, really good, so very good job. Finally, I want to thank the media who have covered this event and joined us also in discussing some of the topics, and the sponsors that made this possible. Jens already did a very short summary of the session, so I'm not going to repeat myself. I had prepared some slides, but I just wanted to leave 3 key messages that I think came out very strongly from these 2 days. One is that there's a lot of challenges, as we've seen: climate change, water scarcity, waste management, over-tourism versus under-tourism. How do we make everyone benefit? How do we disperse tourists in time and in space? We also saw the challenges of bringing in investment, and someone mentioned about municipalities still not being aware of the importance of investing in tourism. But also the challenge of monitoring and measuring the impacts. But I think one of the biggest challenges that came out is probably the need to break the silos between the communities and the tourists. And this is something that's coming out all around the world, and I think in mountain destinations as well. So for us, this is a key element, how to make sure that communities and tourists live in an harmony in the destination and benefit and enjoy. In terms of opportunities, we talked about demographics, digitalization, mobility, how we need to change the way we move, the way we plan. Investment, the opportunities of soft investment for adventure tourism, for example, but also culture. I think gastronomy and events came very strongly in this discussion, as they are the DNA of destinations, and this is what people look for when they travel. I'd like to finish with where we started, which was the first session on One Planet, and this is what summarizes, I think, not only the future of mountain tourism, but the future of our sector. As Dirk very well mentioned, sustainability is put on a policy level higher and higher, but we do face an implementation gap. And what we've seen here is that that gap needs to be addressed at local level. It's in the territory that tourism happens. It's in the territory that most of the solutions need to be brought. And they need to be brought in a holistic way with all the players. We talked about mobility, investment. It's not tourism alone that's going to solve these issues. It's about working with different partners in the different areas. And so I'd like to finish as we started, reminding everyone of our common framework to which we all need to align. And this is what came out, I think, strongly of the first session. And this framework are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. They should be localized, and I think there's a great deal of work to do in that sense. So to close my intervention, I would like to invite you to join UNWTO's effort in making tourism and SDGs more known, sharing also your experiences, because there's a lot of good things happening on the ground. And we have an online platform which we call a co-creation space on tourism and SDGs. And I would like to finish my remarks on that. Join us on this journey. Make sure that the future of mountain tourism is the future of tourism and the sustainable development goals. And if you can have the video.